today's video we will see how to transfer game save from Xbox Game Pass PC to Steam. Move save files without losing progress. So first, how to transfer game save from Xbox Game Pass PC to Steam. So transferring your game progress from Xbox Game Pass PC to Steam is entirely possible for most games by manually extracting, remaining and copying the save files. Now because Xbox Game Pass use a proprietary structure, the WGS on Windows Game Save system. So the files are often hidden inside folders with long alphanumeric string and lack standard file extension. First one, the pre-requesting. So first enable the file extension. Open the file explorer, click view and make sure file name extension is checked. Now generate a Steam save. So launch the game on Steam, play long enough to create a new manual or autosave and then completely close the game and the Steam client. Now locate your Xbox Game Pass to save file. So press Win plus R to open the run dialog. Type the percentage local app data percentage slash package and press enter. Now find your specific game folder. It usually starts with the developer or game name followed by a random string or character. Now navigate deep into the folder following the path, the system app data. Now inside WGS you will see a folder with a long numerical name. Click into the one with the most recent date modification timestamp. Now look for the large file in the folder. This contains your main gameplay total data and it will named a long string of letter and numbers and will not have any extension. Then you can copy this file to your desktop for safekeeping. Now number 3, locate your Steam save file. So Steam save file paths vary depend on the game, but they are typically found in one of the location. So press Win plus R to open the run dialog. Now you can simple enter percentage local app data percentage, then the game name, then slash saved slash game files. Save games. Or percentage user profile percentage, then slash documents slash my game slash game name. Or C programs file 86, then Steam, then user data. Now your Steam ID, Apple app ID and remote. Then open the folder and look at the name the convention of the newly created Steam save. Example save games.sav or player underscore save.date. Now number 4, swap and rename the file. So backup the Steam save and copy the original Steam save files and move it to save backup folder on your computer. Now copy the Steam save name. So select the original Steam file, press F2 and copy its exact name and file extension. Now copy save game.sav and then delete the original file from the Steam save folder. Now go to the Xbox file you copied to your desktop and rename it by pasting the exact Steam save name you just copied. Now including the file extension, you can move this newly renamed file from your desktop directly into the Steam save folder. So goodbye and thanks for watching.